all week long. So I know if they're telling me repetitively, then there is a great chance that there's other ladies out there with the same sentiments. So this video was really for the purpose of introduction, building a rapport, credibility, however you want to label it. Listen, I'm not a newbie at this. I'm not desperate. I don't want to sound like a used car salesman. We're here to help people. I like this. I enjoy this. It doesn't feel like work to me because it's something I'm interested in. And you're going to know if you go to see a physician who just is doing it for the dollar, that you can get that feel. Everyone does. If I go shopping somewhere, I can tell if somebody's just out to make a sale. But I can also tell when someone has their heart in it, they're passionate about it, they want to see people live out to their full potential. And it becomes very apparent quickly, okay? So, if you have any questions, in the comment section or in the description section, I will put our contact information. It's better to contact me by email, drtimothyderoos@gmail.com, and I'll write that in there. We are an appointment-only clinic. We schedule only by appointment, and you can count on a visit for anywhere from 30 minutes up to an hour. The consultation's at no cost, no obligation. You know, we want to make sure it's a right fit for you and for us, and we'll let you know either way if it's a right fit. And there are times that I tell people, you know what, I don't think it's the right time for you. You've got to get some things handled in advance of a program like ours. Now, fortunately for us and for many of our clients, it's not the majority. There are a lot of people who are ready to go. They come in ready to go mentally and in their heart, so it makes a good complement to one another where we can get going and help you start reaching your goals and feeling better about yourself for a change. Okay, so any questions you have, reach out to us. We're glad to answer those and help you get on a path to feeling better, having less pains and aches in your joints and in your nerves and in your muscles, where you're resting better, your energy goes up, and you're fitting in cute clothes again. That's our purpose. So we appreciate you, appreciate your attention. If you've made it this far in the video, congratulations. Always check with the clinic and ask Kim when the next class is. The classes are live here at the clinic one night per month. We either do Thursdays primarily, some Tuesdays. In fact, the next class, I think it's Tuesday, March 18th, but you're always welcome to double check that. You must reserve a seat because seating is limited. We do max out here in the classroom. It's not an auditorium, it's a classroom. So if you would like to come, we'd love to have you. And we make it fun, we make it engaging, and we make it so that it's a wonderful starting point for people who are either coming here out of necessity. Maybe you've got a health crisis. Maybe you just are curious. A lot of people come because they've been given a bad diagnosis of now you're insulin resistant and you're a type 2 diabetic. Congratulations. Your A1C is above 6. So a lot of people come like that. And we don't judge. We don't belittle. We educate. We facilitate. We partner with you to reach goals because it's fun. So reach out to us. We'd love to have you. And we'll get you on the book just as quick as we can. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. It helps us tremendously to see who's viewing. Give us a thumbs up, but definitely subscribe to our channel so you get notification when we do come on live or we have taped videos that we upload. All the best to you, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Gotta figure out what I'm doing. I still got 3 of you with me. How about that?